So where does the wheat come from that you use to make the Weetabix?
All the wheat in Weetabix comes from within a 50-mile radius of our mills, and it is acquired through the Red Tractor scheme, food certified growers.
Why does the wheat need to be cleaned?
The wheat needs to be cleaned so that we can ensure quality, safe product for the consumer.
And why is it that you use Red Tractor assured wheat in your Weetabix?
Well, Red Tractor assured wheat, it has provenance and we can trace it back to the farm to an individual grower, and it's been grown to rigorous standards.
So you know, because it's Red Tractor, that it actually aligns with Weetabix values?
It certainly does, yes.
So how do you check the quality of the wheat when it first arrives?
We check the paperwork from each individual load, sample the grain uniformly and test it to all the criteria according to the specification.
And so every single truck that comes in is checked?
Yes, it's checked and all positively released.